Hi! So in this video today I will be showing you how I got this hairstyle of mini braids. This hairstyle took me about an hour and like 10 minutes. I was watching Netflix, so I did get a little bit distracted, but this is a protective style to do for really any occasion, especially since right now we are on social distancing and self-quarantine because of the COVID-19 cases. So hope you enjoy this video, and yeah. I start off with moisturizing my hair with a aloe vera and water mixture. Before I section off my hair, I put a leave-in conditioner, Aunt Jackie's Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner, Ultra Hydrating Deep Moisture Therapy. It has shea butter and olive oil and has an amazing slip. On top of the leave-in conditioner, I use Pantene's Gold Series Intense Hydrating Oil infused with argan oil. This is one of my favorite products. On top of the hydrating oil and leave-in conditioner, I put olive oil on my roots and ends to seal in moisture. After hydrating and moisturizing my hair, I section it off into 4 parts, so it's easier for me to braid it. So I am not using any other products besides the leave-in conditioner, the hydrating oil, and the olive oil because I'm doing this hairstyle to have moisture and retain moisture rather than to do a braid out. After I finished my first braid, I didn't like how big the section was, so I decided to make the next section smaller so I can get a look I was satisfied with.
I braided the rest of my hair off screen so my camera wouldn't die. Here are the end results.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you try out this hairstyle. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.